I got y'all right here on the monthly. As y'all can see, the pattern is still valid. We on our way up to level 2, about to break out the cup handle on the monthly. On the weekly, we still got the W formation that's playing out. As we can see, the double bottom, 1 2 1 2 bottom. And also, like I mentioned before, that was 1 tap to the high, 2 taps to the high. This third tap will be the breakthrough. This is a weekly chart now, but this is just confirmation saying that we're going all the way through. And as you can see, we should be going to a clear line up this way right here, line up around here, around this area. But let's go to the daily so we look at that closer. So on the daily pattern that's formed, as y'all can see, this was a previous pattern we had. Boom, boom, boom. See it played out. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Peak formation drop. But as you can clearly see, it literally created the pattern. That's what was happening this whole time since this pattern ended. It basically made a bigger one. As y'all can see, to actually break us out. So that's a clear M. Y'all can see this now. See the dub. We come down here. You gotta see where it actually spikes down. Then see how to wait perfectly. You see this? And then you see the automatic drop right here in the middle after it hit the 50 EMA up here. Super drop. You might get one more spike and then we going straight back up. But I mean, it's only a matter of time. Like I mentioned before, once we got this drop, it's gonna stay in the zone for a minute, as y'all can see, because it's sitting there accumulating. But it's forming the pattern. So once it started on its way up, I mean, it's going up. Because I believe after we ain't going our way back up, because for one, it's not coming back down here. We already covered everything, like I mentioned before. With this candlestick, we recovered everything. So everything now is just, them just playing around and getting back what they already got. So they might come back down like 45, because I can see they didn't come down here to this spike. But I mean, it's a spike. They can if they want to. They don't really have to. But we already there anyway. So I mean, it looks good. So in general, we'll stay in this generalized area until we get a nice little hop out. Once we see this thing pop up and hit this 100 day, and that'll be around 50,000, we're gonna get a retracement, and then it's gonna bounce off this 20 EMA, and then we'll come back up here and bounce off to 50. So basically, we're waiting for confirmation. Once we see the hit of this 100 EMA, which always will be a break of this 20 EMA, because we got to get back on top of the 20 in order to go up. So once you see this, like I say, the tap to the 100, and then we riding in 20, that's our confirmation of the reversal. But as of right now, I mean, it's hard to say. It's not a reversal just yet, but it can happen at any moment, because this is the right side of the pattern. The right side of the pattern, they can literally just shoot straight up if they really wanted to. Usually, when it starts off, they confuse you a little bit first, but we can clearly see what they're doing now, because I've seen this pattern plenty of times. But yeah, this is definitely the pattern. So after we get a reversal, definitely looking for the breakout. But I'm looking to come up all the way up here between somewhere, I'll say between 80, 85,000 before we get a retracement. And when we retrace, we come back right here to where we've been chilling at, around the 68, 69,000. I'll just say 68, keep it simple, because it's right there on top of that spike and right on top of this close these candlesticks. So 68,000 will be the retracement after we come up here and hit 80, 85. Then once we hit the retracement, that's when we going well over 100. And I'm projecting 125 before the next retracement. But like I say, let's just worry about now. Once we get the retracement, like I said, then a reversal. We're waiting for that 100 tap and a riding on a 20. That's the confirmation of the reversal. But yeah, once we hit the reversal, like I said, we going straight up here. There'll be time to go long. I'm pretty sure most of the coins are following these patterns also. Check this 4 hour real fast. I mean, see everything I just showed you, but much closer. You see it's tapping these EMAs. As y'all can see, that's one tap. That's the the 200 EMA, and that's supposed to be down here. This on the 4 hourly, so that changed up a good bit. So those 2 taps. So the next tap, it will be a breakthrough. It'll be a breakthrough this, and that's gonna come back down, but it's gonna ride the EMA. It's gonna ride the 100, because it's gonna force the 20 and this 50 to go along with it with a nice spike up, like I just mentioned, because they will spike this up to initially, get them out the zone. They have to. That's the only way they don't, snag up as much profits as they can. But yeah, I don't really see this thing going much further at all. You see stopping pressure right here also. You see the spikes. I mean, this is the general area of the low right here. It's not going below this, and definitely cannot go below this. I definitely doubt it go all the way down here. But I did mention we could get one more spike down, because like whenever we do make these reversals, we'll get a spike down and then a jolt up, because they got to knock everybody's stop losses out. That's what they're going to do. That's what they usually do. And they're going to jump out the zone. So I believe the initial move out the zone will be up here around 52,000. Come back down here, would be halfway around here. And as y'all can see, resistance, it'll be support, and it'll be right here along the 100 EMA on the 4 hourly. And then we'll continue our move on out. But yeah, that is my lookout on Bitcoin. So I mean, it's around that time to go long on this boy if you can. But anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, you make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.